Hi guys, welcome to Forex Raja. Let's do the analysis for tomorrow on spot. Please share our video and subscribe to our video so that you get the regular updates. So as you can see, जैसे हमने बोला था कल, अगर 7980 के नीचे जाएगा तो it can go down, but what happened was it went up. हमने 82 और 86 का एक लाइन डाला था and it has crossed both the line and it is hovering around the blue line जो हमने कल डाला था वो है 7993. Now the challenge is this zone. If we are able to cross 79.93, then we will be able to test 80 and then 80.3. That is the key resistance. 80.033 is the very important resistance. If we are able to break that, we should be able to land at 80.10, and from there we have to see the direction because that will be a new high from a spot perspective. Now that is one of the view. Now if we are not able to break 93, again we'll come near 86. If we can take support at 86, again we'll attempt 93. If 86 support is broken, then we'll come to 82.6, and if 82.6 is broken, then further downtrend will happen. So you need to be watchful tomorrow that if you are able to get above 78.86, above this line, if trade is starting, then you should be on the buy side. And if the trade is below 76.86, then watch till 79.82, and if that is also broken, then you can take trade on the sell side. So that is what the chart is saying today. We have the Fed interest rate decision which is due to come at 11:30. Let's watch out for the results of that one and see how things goes. Good luck for the trade tomorrow.